Welcome all you arithmetic ninjas to question number 14. Now we've got a mystery box, a mystery number in that empty box there to fill in. And that empty box is equal to 5,776 take away 855. Now what they've actually done is they've put the question on the right hand side of the equal sign and the answer on the left hand side. We're normally used to seeing that the other way around, for the question to be on the left and the answer to be on the right. But all they've done is switch it around. But because it's equal, that doesn't matter. They can do that. All you've got to do is read it back to front. So we've basically got to do the thing on the right hand side, which is the question. So we've got 5,776 and we need to subtract 855. And that will get us our answer. So 6 take away 5 is 1, 7 take away 5 is 2, 7 take away 8 we can't do because the bottom number is smaller, so we need to borrow from the 5 and make that a 4, and the 1 we've borrowed turns to 7 into 17. 17 take away 8 is 9, and 4 take away nothing because there's an empty gap here, we call that nothing. 4 take away nothing is 4. The final answer then is 4,921.